Hello everyone, I'm here together with my members, namely Maria Criselda Cabutos, Kailin Bacacao, and me, Sima Pimentel. And we're going to tackle about LAN in 1. A local area network, which is LAN, supplies networking capability to a group of computers in close proximity to each other, such as in an office, building, a school, or a home. A LAN is useful for sharing resources like files, printers, games, or other applications. A WAN spans a large geographic area, such as a state, province, or country. WANs often connect multiple smaller networks, such as local area network, which is LAN, or metro area network, which is MAN. The means through which data is transferred from one place to another is called transmission media. There are two categories of transmission media used in computers: bounded or guided media are the physical through which signals are confined to a narrow path. They are great for logs because they offer high speed, good security, and low cost. However, sometimes they cannot be used through distance communication, that having a three types of bounded. Coaxial cable is very common and widely used communication media. For example, TV wire is usually coaxial. The most popular network cabling is twisted pair. It is lightweight, easy to install, inexpensive, and supports many different types of networks. It also supports the speed of 100 Mbps. Twisted pair cabling is made of pairs of solid stranded copper twisted along each other. The twists are done to reduce vulnerability to EMI and cross-talk. Fiber optic cable uses electrical signals to transmit data. It uses light. In fiber optic cable, light only moves in one direction. For two-way communication to take place, a second connection must be made between the two devices. It is actually two strands of cable. Each strand is responsible for one direction of communication. A laser at one device sends pulse of light through this cable to other device. These pulses translated into ones and zeros at the other end.
Network topologies are categorized into three: the bus, the ring, and the star. What is bus? It is used a common backbone to connect all devices. A single cable, the backbone functions as a shared communication medium that devices attach or tap into with an interface connector. What is a ring? A ring network, and every device has exactly two neighbors for communication purposes. All messages travel through a ring in the same direction. It's either clockwise or counterclockwise. A failure in any cable or device breaks the loop and can take down the entire network. To implement a ring network, one typically uses FDDI, SONET, or token ring technology. What is a star? A star network features a central connection point called a hub node that may be a network hub, a switch, or a router. Compared to the bus topology, a star network generally requires more cable, but a failure in any star network cable will only take down one computer's network access and not the entire LAN. CSMA or CE, collision detection. Career sensing, deferral as in CSMA. Collisions detected within short time. Colliding transmissions aborted. Reducing channel wasted. Persistent or non-persistent retransmission. Collision detection. Easy in wired LANs. Measured signal strength. Compare transmitted, received signals. Difficult in wireless LANs. Receiver shut off while transmitting. Human analogy. The polite conversationalist. What is a token ring access control? It only applies to the ring topology LAN. The main principle is use a control called a token. a binary number of bytes, it is by the idle and BPQ kinds of coded neither the destination address but also passive address. When the information sent on the ring, the token is in idle state. It is passed from one workstation to another workstation. It stops along the ring. When a workstation is ready to send information, you must wait until it is detected and captured after the date of station token. Then the token control flags from the idle state change to busy state and send out messages.
Interline connection method access. It's intended to dispense with the settings of a synchronization mode or a processing procedure and to make possible filtering between wired and wireless sections at wireless section access points, connecting rural or wired lines. Peer-to-peer connection. A wireless data network which provides communication with a peer-to-peer protocol server is disclosed that a home network includes a home mobile system center and a wireless system. Point-to-point connection. The disclosure of point-to-point protocol over the Internet configuration method for a gigabyte capable passive optical network system. High speed of technology LAN. FDDI provides a 100 Mbit optical standard for data transmission in local area networks that can extend in a range to 200 kilometers. Gigabyte internet is a term describing a various technologies for transmitting internet frames at a rate of gigabits per second, 1 billion bits per second. Wireless LAN, a wireless local area network links two or more devices using some wireless distribution method, typically spread spectrum or OFDM were used.